Uh, what is going on? Any idea? Hyperparameter tuning technique. We are done with grid search CV, but I need to explain one more time the same example. Then I will continue the today topic actual. We'll get an idea. Okay. Offline time, the whole building is running functioning with the generator. There is no power, no AC actually. Right. So please. Can just try to come here. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let me just try to continue this. K nearest neighbor. Today in running notes, the same yesterday topic where we have stopped, we need to continue. And the continuation topic would be K nearest neighbor. So are you comfortable with machine learning examples? Then can I start sharing Kaggle example? Then you will get a more explore. Why? Because you will get a more hands-on experience. Sorry. Yeah, good. What is the topic name, sir? Grid search CV. Online team. Are you following? Can I get a response? Seriously. Siddiq sir is telling my voice is very low. What about others? Now it's fine, I guess. Let's continue. I will give a small recap. Hmm. Let me give a small recap. Back to the session. Uh, Daniel, how to improve? How to improve or check model performance? Model, what exactly, sir? Performance. So simple. First of all, I need to talk about the parameters. Whenever we're talking about the model having parameters. Model having what exactly, sir? Parameters actually. There are two types of parameters. Even according to yesterday discussion, there are two types of parameter. The first one is called as a default parameter. What is the first one? Default parameters. The next one is called as a hyperparameter. What is the next one, sir? Hyperparameter. Hyperparameters. What do you mean by default parameter? These are all default. So simple, these are default. These are default. Now, these we need to enable. We need to enable actually. We need to enable in the sense we need to explicitly we need to provide. Getting everyone. When it comes to default, the moment whenever you are creating an object to the SVC, default parameters are being getting involving. But Daniel, I just wanted to customize SVC parameter. We can customize actually. Make a note on this one. One small update. Mostly I never been, so WhatsApp online. But I do have a certain groups. I do have a certain groups actually. So the first one, working people, working professionals actually, working professionals, only data science. That's it. No other groups. Only on data science. The next one, AI, ML. These are all. I mean, I do have a UK related groups and India. Let me talk about only India. Today I got a two messages. I will be active only in these groups. These are all our students. There are a lot of students actually. Today I got a two messages. There are two openings. Two companies having the openings. That's what, sir. Our previous students, they used to send a message actually. They used to send a message if they do have a requirement. Can I specify what is the first company name? Let me check. Arco Lab. First company name is called as a Arco Lab. Both are Bangalore location. Arco Lab company. The second company name is this is one is a startup, but good. They will give a good package. One of our student is working. There is one more company. Company name is called as a Target company. What company? Company name is a frankly speaking, such a one of the good company. Bangalore Manyata Tech Park actually. One of two students are working. One he is from big data background. One he is from machine learning actually. Ensure that why I'm telling these are all things. Recruitment started actually. Recruitment started. Do you want to see Acro Lab company? Sir, we have a network actually. If you are really very good in that subject and if you are really wanted to utilize that network actually, this one is the first company. One student he texted me, sir, we have a requirement. If anyone is good in subject, fresher especially, we will take interview. And he told, so next one is what company, sir? Target company name is called as a Target variable, something like that actually. I'm talking about Bangalore location. Manita Tech Park actually. Good company, sir. Product based company. What company? They do have a separate AI innovation lab actually. So such a nice company. Why I'm telling these are all? Started on an average last 2 days onwards. I'm getting good messages like we have a drives, we have requirements. My suggestion will be strong in subject. If you are very good in subject, you can just try to share your profile and I will take one small mock interview. I will take one small. I will ask. I hope you know what all questions I will ask actually. What is my first question? Tell me the written keyword. Tell me. I don't know. I like written keyword very well. Fine then. So be strong in subject. That's what I'm telling actually. Please be clear. Online team, are you clear, sir? Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's move on then. Both are experienced and fresher, both actually. Can you please explain difference between a parametric and non-parametric models actually? Sir, that's what I told. That is upcoming topic. Maybe you have seen during very exactly bias and variance trade-off actually. I will tell you what do you mean by parametric and what do you mean by non-parametric actually. Deep learning also you need to be understand. So what I'm covering. Anyway, so please prepare very well. Would have a good requirements actually. You know we are getting. Make a note on this. Let's continue the session. Um, yeah, that would be good actually. That would be good. 1 minute. Fine. Then yesterday we have covered a topic. The topic will be what is the problem statement actually? The problem statement what we have taken iris data set, right? Iris flowers data set actually. Though iris flower data sets, we have taken a model. Model name is so called as a SVC. What is the model name? SVC. Support vector classifier. So support vector classifier, we have applied these are all techniques. What are the techniques we applied, you know, sir? The first one is called as a train underscore, test underscore split. We applied and we verified the score actually. The next one is what exactly, sir? K-fold cross validation. That too here, we have seen lot of combination. Combination number one, a kind of some different value. I mean to say parameters. Parameters combination number one. The next one, second combination actually. Did you remember when I say combination? Gurtunda sir meeku. Yeah, good. Combination number two. Combination number three. Different parameter. Like this, oh my god, lot of combinations actually. Keep on we need to do. And ensure that we have to imagine there are 20 combinations. We have to make a note and we have to cross verify again which combination best score actually. It's again notorious job. Notorious job ante telusa. I mean నరాలు వణికిపోతాయి అనమాట. Kind of some notorious job actually. It takes a lot of time. Then instead of that one, what is the third one, you know, sir? The third one is called as a hyper parameter tuning technique by using grid search CV. By using what exactly, sir? Grid search CV. By using this one we can do. And yesterday when you're talking about the grid search CV, what is this one? Simple, it is a class. Create a dictionary. Create a dictionary. And here you need to configure everything actually. Here you need to what exactly mean? Configure everything. Then you can just have to call fit method actually. Fit method with grid search CV object. You know, grid search CV object actually. Okay, cool. Let me run the example. Yesterday I already covered actually, but anyway, let me just try to run one more time for your better understanding. Oh, let's continue. Importing the libraries, we already know. Importing the libraries. Loading the data set. These are all not required. Why? Because just for showcase actually. Now create a dictionary. Here is the beauty. Yesterday we already covered. Still I am covering. Just recap. I'm sorry. Can you tell me what is this? Dictionary. C value. 1 with RBF. 1 with linear. These are all combination I wanted to cross verify. Then create an object for grid search CV. Create an object for grid search CV. And before this one, create a model. From here to here, so called, this is called as a model actual. Model. Now, model equals to, yeah, successfully I have created a model. Once after you created a model, the next step is so called as a, I can just have to pass these are all. That is still okay. Can you please explain what is kernel and its value in the short one time actually? So simple, sir. Kernel is called as a math function, which is so called as the algorithm takes care. Kernel means simple math function. It transforms non-linear data into linear data. Imagine if there are two variables having no relationship. If you apply kernel, it brings some relationship. That's what you need to be understand. Okay, we are good to go. Now, Daniel, we done this. What is the next step? Can you suggest me what is the next step? CLF dot. Ayo, Chapan sir. Fit method you need to call. And here you just need to pass x and y. You just need to pass what exactly, sir? X and y. Prepare that x and y. That's it. You can just have to come here. Chaptara x comma y. Let's run. Ayo sir, both are different. Jupyter kernel is different. This kernel is different. Rajesh Sarji. Jupyter kernel is different. And this kernel is different actually. Please. I'm sorry for saying wrong comparison. Where are we? Yeah, good. So let's continue. Now let me explain. Let me give a small little revision actually. So the point will be, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Just I'm telling. Tim, first of all, C value, it will take 1. Kernel value, RBF, it will take and it will start run. That 2. Backend, how many times it will run, you know, sir? 5 times. Something like a K-fold cross validation. 1 with RBF first time, score. 1 with RBF second time, score. 1 with RBF third time, score. Then finally, it will give average score. Finally, it will give. I mean to say each combination, it runs 5 times. It run. Now then, can you help me? Total 3 into 2. Total how many? 6. 6 into 5. 30 iterations actually. Yeah, let me show you. That's what it takes little longer actually. We are not printing anything, right? Let us print the result. This object having, let me tell you, having lot of results actually, which is returning something like a dictionary format. But it returns lot of dictionary values. But what we need actually, I just need a param underscore C value. Okay. The next one will be kernel value. What is the next one, sir? Kernel value. The next one will be mean score. What is the next one, sir? Somewhere it is available actually. Think like this one is a dictionary. If the dictionary is like this one, we cannot understand. Do one thing. Let's create a data frame by using this. We already know that, right? You can just have to come here, sir. Let us create a data frame. Yeah, we are creating a data frame, Daniel. That's what we even did yesterday. If anyone absent yesterday, sir, today's cinema continuation from yesterday actual. Yeah, total how many rows, sir? Why 6? Because 2 C value and kernels are, no, 3 C values and kernels are 2. 3 into 2, 6 combination. 6 combination. Make a note on this one, right? And that too, these are all mean score. What score, sir? Mean score. Every combination 5 times it run, getting the mean score. But in a K-fold cross validation, we need to calculate the mean. We need to calculate? We need to calculate, sir. We need to calculate. But all these columns are not important, Daniel. Then I just wanted to select the specific columns. You know, I guess how to select the specific columns. You can just have to specify here, df of select the specified columns. With the selected column, you can create a data frame. That's what we're doing here. Very good. This one is a 15 columns data frame. This one is a 3 columns data frame. Param C, kernel value, mean test score actually. Yeah, one with RBF 98 score, one with linear 98 score. Now here, think like we have a lot of parameters. Again, comparison, we need to spend some time. Instead of that one, I just wanted to know what is the best parameters, Daniel, actually. You can call one attribute, or attribute name is called as a best underscore params. Chapani? These are all important attributes. First, CV underscore results, I guess. Kada? CV underscore results. The next one. What is the next one? You know, sir. Best underscore parameters. Indirectly, it is telling you can go, you no need to take the pain. Ayo, lot of parameters, which parameter I need to use. You no need to analyze. Automatically apply this attribute, you will get as a result actually. Attributes, then object name dot attribute name. And here also object name dot what exactly, sir? Attribute name actually. That's what you need to be clear, right? Now move to the next one. Did we run this? Online team, I hope you are following, sir. Selected column data frame. Yes. From here, 1 with RBF is the best combination we are getting. Hey, Daniel, go for C value with the 1 and kernel value how much actually? RBF actually. Good. Then best underscore parameters. Did we listed actually? Okay. Now move to the next one. One more attribute. That attribute name is a best underscore score. Hey Daniel, that's okay. You are telling parameter. This one and this one is good actually. Show me the score. Where exactly you are getting best score? Call one more attribute. Attribute name is called as a best underscore scores. Are you clear or not, sir? Are you getting everyone? Yeah. Madam, మీకు fan కావాలా? మీకు fan కావాలా? Okay, okay. Sorry. This example I need to capture in running notes. Best parameters. Capturing model best parameters. Next one, randomizer search CV. What is the next one? Randomizer search CV. Good. Daniel, we can apply hyperparameter tuning technique. Hyperparameter tuning technique in two ways actually. In two ways. The first one by using grid search CV. The second one randomizer search CV. చెప్తారా సార్ randomizer search CV. Randomizer search CV. Daniel, why second one? Sir, let me tell you, imagine in real time, whenever you're using grid search CV, it takes lot of time. It takes lot of time. No doubt in that actually. Why? Because if you want to come here, you can just have to include a few more values, 30, the next one 40 and 50. And here you can increase kind of some 10 value actually. Now, how much combination sir? Taking time. Yeah, good. So we got a good result. Quickly we got it actually. 12 combinations. How many combinations? Still, what is the best actually? One with RBF is the best combination. Are you clear or not, sir? Imagine here you are giving lot of iterations. You are keep on increasing actually, but it takes lot of time. It takes what exactly? Lot of time. But Daniel, I need a quickly, immediately result. What parameters are the best parameters I wanted to know? You can apply randomizer search CV. what it will do is, you are giving combination, right? It will select randomly the two best parameters it will select, and it will run the algorithm. Quickly you will get a result actually. Use randomizer search CV to reduce the number of iterations and with random combinations of parameter. Whenever you are using grid search CV, so a lot of iterations, iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 4. But randomizer search CV, it is not like that. You can specify, imagine there are some 10 combination, don't run 10, run only 2. From that 2, I need a best parameters. Are you with me or not, sir? Let me show you. You will get an idea. This is useful when you have too many parameters. Too many parameters you are trying, and your training time is what exactly longer, and it helps to reduce cost of what exactly mean competition. Come on, last point is important. It helps to reduce what exactly cost of. Best example, I am planning to start one startup company. I do have a huge data set. Think like a 70 petabyte of the data. Then storing that 70 petabyte of the data in system, I need to run this algorithm. Sir, it takes lot of time, you know. Imagine after 1 month I may get a result actually. After, yeah, think like that. Your system capacity is small. You are using small CPUs actually. After 1 month you may get a result actually, but I don't have a time. Daniel, I just wanted to execute very quickly within a matter of 5 to 6 days actually. Then that too, you know what? It reduces the cost computation. In Hyderabad, do you know this topic actually? Recently, I have one friend. He started AI startup actually. He told he has a lot of data. So he just texted me. Do you know where exactly rental systems we can get actually? What systems are? Rental systems. In cloud, instead of going to the cloud actually, they will give one system for rent. You can store the data, you can process the data, you can create a model, then you can delete the data, then again you can use that model actually. Yeah, that is possible in Hyderabad. Systems, you know, hardware systems, slowly by slowly they are increasing. Hardware components also. Why? Data science is increasing. Can I get a response from you? In Amirpet, this is possible. In Amir, can I tell you, in Amirpet, everything is possible actually. Make a note on that. I'm sorry for getting man. Talk with me. What is the topic name? Randomizer search CV. Now, sir, same sir. Can you tell me what is this? Class. Come on, let's run. I hope this example I already copied actually. Yeah, yes, boss. Load the data set. Create the parameters with the dictionary. Now, create object for randomizer search CV. Create object for randomizer search CV. Create the model. Yeah, you can move on. D value. Sir, CV value, how much you are giving? Chappan sir, 5. Return score equals to false. Now here is a story. Of course, CV value is the 5. I need 5 times iteration. But let me tell you, C, can you tell me what is the combination? Talk with me. 6 combinations. How many? Then indirectly, you can go for 5 iterations. Out of 5, don't run all 5 iterations actually. Number of iterations you are restricting within 2 iterations. Within 2 iterations, I need the best score. I need what exactly? Then it will select the random values. It will analyze actually. It will analyze. That's the beauty with this algorithm actually. You know, but you can go for grid search CV only. Why? Because we may miss the best score. We may. 99% will get the good score, but let me tell you, we'll work with this one. చూద్దాం మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏ పారామీటర్స్ వస్తాయి ఏంటి అనేది. Let us try this. As usual, you can create this role. Only two iterations. 20 with RBF. What is the score, sir? 96. Okay. 10 with RBF. What is the score? 98. Then 90 is the, but in grid search CV, 1 with RBF. What is the score? 98 only. Did you remember, sir? Yeah. Somehow we are getting. Let us run one more time. Very nice. Let us run one more time. Let us run one more time. Like this, you need to be understand. Of course, you are giving however you want. But here, if you are specifying n underscore iteration means, iterate. I mean to say, just try to do only 2 times iteration. How many? 2 times iteration, but I need the best score actually. That's what you need to be understand, right? Fine, but this very rare, sir. But this point you have to be aware. Randomized search CV. Talk with me. Randomized search CV. Randomized search CV. The name itself is talking. Sir, if you really closely observe the result actually, one with RBF, one with linear. Why? Because you are giving n iterations equals to what exactly? 2 actually. That combination. Yeah. That's what. So do little R&D, you will get an idea. Fine. This is what about, let's take this example. Randomizer search CV. Online team, hold on, sir. Offline team, room is very hot, right? ఎందుకంటే AC work out లేదు, sir. It's okay. Let's move on. No option. I will not cancel the session actually. Okay, move on. We done this. What is the topic name? K nearest neighbor. One more topic. One more new algorithm actually. This one is one more new algorithm. Ready to understand. Little theory. Try to understand little theory. I hope you can easy to understand. The point will be K nearest neighbor is a supervised learning technique. It is a supervised learning technique. What do you mean by supervised? Come again. Feature plus target. Feature plus target. But a small little twist actually. K-NN algorithm follows one basic rule, that is similar things are near to each other. Let me repeat again. K nearer. I hope the word you already know. K nearest neighbor. Talk with me, sir. K nearest neighbor actually follows one basic rule, that is similar things are near to each other. Similar things are near to what exactly? Each other actually. I will tell you what do you mean by that. I done my MCA. No. I started my MCA in the year of 2007. In the year of 2000, what exactly, sir? 7. Almost first day went to college. Went to college, and so first day we used to stay in hostel. Almost everyone actually. Then the total students will be 60 members. How many, sir? 60 members actually. Now out of 60, 40 members are boys, and madams are 20 members. 20 members madams actually. All right. Now let's move on actually. Sir, on an average 7 days. So we stayed in hostel only. We stayed in what exactly, sir? Hostel only. It's the right time. Why? Because when it comes to hostel, pattern we can recognize very easily. What is a pattern? Monday sambar, Sambar daily, I guess, actually, nowadays. But in Monday, sambar, Tuesday, brinjal, Thursday, bendakai, kind of some little finger. These are all things they will keep on prepare actually. When you will get more, when you will lose interest, imagine so and so day, so curry, you cannot get interest actually. Then it's the right time. I'm thinking like, let us take a room. Let us take what exactly is a room actually. Now I may not bear all expenses. Why? Because even I was not employed, right? So I'm just a student actually. Then I got a thought like, let us just say to 2 to 3 members who can stay, like kind of some sharing each other, sharing actually. Then can you tell me how many boys actually? 40 members. Now it's the right time. Sir, out of 40, I have chosen 3 members. All are my friends only. All are my friends only. 1 to 40, my friends only. But I have chosen the first person name is called as a Praveen. The next person name is called as a Kasim Sarji. The next person name is called as a Brahmaji actually. Brahmaji. I don't know how I have chosen. He won't like non-veg actually, but is very good in subject, expert in subject actually. Only one habit which is not matching. He never touch non-veg actually. But these guys. Now let me tell you, out of 40 members, why I have chosen these members actually? Sir, habits are almost similarly matching. Out of 10, 8 habits are matching actually. They like tea very well. Even I like actually. They used to play cricket very well. Even I like play cricket very well. Like now read the point, you will get an idea. Sir, let me tell you, these are all data point number 1, data point number 2, data point number 4. Yes, we 4 members taken room and we started living together actually. I mean, so we used to share. Are you getting or not, sir? Right? Now, let me tell you the point what you need to understand. KNN algorithm follows one basic rule that is called as a similar things are what exactly? Now let me tell you data point number 1, data point number 2. If both are almost near, it can create a small group actually. It can, but sir, it is not a clustering algorithm. It is not what exactly? Can I ask a question? What is the difference between KNN and K-means actually? Damn sure enter question. Can you tell me? First difference you have to tell. What is the difference between KNN and K means K nearest neighbor? K nearest neighbor actually. చెప్తారా ఎవరన్నా? Come again. K means unsupervised learning algorithm. One shot actually. Unsupervised actually. K nearest neighbor means, yeah. So that's what first point we have to understand. It is a supervised learning. It is what exactly, sir? Supervised learning actually. Are you clear about this? Uh, so, but all other algorithms are stands in one side. This algorithm stands in different side actually. It will tell. It is also called as a lazy learner algorithm. What algorithm? It is a little lazy, like me actually. Right? It is also called as a lazy learner algorithm. Lazy learner. What do you mean by that? Because it does not learn from during training data sets, sir, actually. Oh, then I have given wrong. I'm sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Right. First one came came is clustering. And what exactly, sir? KNN. It's okay. K means clustering is a supervised, unsupervised learning algorithm. Then KNN, K nearest neighbor. It is also called as a supervised learning. Siddiq Sarji, I'm sorry. Don't scold me. Thank you. Thank you for correcting. Yeah. Back to the session. Let me give a small correction. Let me correct myself. Sir, what is the difference between K means? Why the comparison will come? Here also K letter, here also K letter. Any difference? First of all, wrong comparison. There is no difference actually. K means clustering, unsupervised, only input, sir. Only features. Next one, KNN, supervised means feature plus target. It is also called as a lazy learner algorithm because it does not learn from the training data set immediately. At the time of training phase, this algorithm just to store the data set. Whenever we get a new data point, it is classifies the category actually. Important point, sir. Make a note on this one. I hope you already know the moment whenever you are calling fit method, what is going on? Training is going to start. What is going to start? But here is the story. K. We got power or what? Online team, we lost power. Just please be on the line. Yeah, back to the session. Online team, once we lost power, there is a one small, so task here would have actually. You mean then power phase change in the power chinda? Good. Thank God. Yeah, thanks, Anand. Can I reduce? All right, let's move on. Let's move on. You will get an idea. What is going on? Ayyo, sir, this one is the third time I'm repeating. I will read very quickly and I can move on. It is a lazy learner algorithm. During training, it cannot learn anything. But once, whenever you are getting the new data point, it classifies the category. I mean, the nature of this algorithm is the same actually. How it works actually? It simply calculates the distance of new data point to all other data points actually. Let me tell you one more time. It simply calculates the distance of new data point to all other what exactly, sir? Data points. This algorithm very rare we are using. Very rare. Not frequently. There is a reason. Why there is a reason, Sir, think like, can you read one more time? It simply calculate, let us take one new data point. From that new data point, it will start calculating distance between all other. Think like we are working in a data science project. Think like all other data points can be 10 crores. How much? From each data point, calculating all other data points, sir, takes a lot of time. It consumes more memory, more computational time. Think like 20 crores, 30 crores data points actually. So make a note on this one. Calculating from the one data point to all other data points, computational time more actually. The distance can be of any type, either Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance. It is pure based on math actually. The distance between one data point to other data point. If you don't know math, that is okay. No need to be worried. It selects the k nearest data points. It selects what exactly mean? K nearest data points. Finally, it assigns the data point to the class, which is majority of the data points belongs to. Now look at the data point, you will get an idea. Make a note on this one. The point will be, think like there is a two classes, class A and class B. Suddenly new data point came, which is something like a blue, which is something like what exactly, sir? Blue category. Now, what exactly happened, if you apply KNN, from this blue data points to all other data points, it will start calculating the distance. It will start calculating what exactly, sir? Distance actually. Now, please understand this. It select the k nearest data points. It selects what exactly? K nearest. Daniel, what do you mean by that? If you want, you can just have to look at my screen. Think like this one is a new data point, right? On an average, imagine there is a one circle. Think like this. There is a one circle like this. Now, I hope maybe think like, here is a more data points actually. Then this data point belongs to this category. That's what you need to be understand. Scenario. Let me take one small scenario. Look at the images. Suppose you have a data set with two variables. When we plotted, looks like below image actually. Category number 1, category number 2, class number 1, class number 2. Our task is to classify new data point, which is something like X. I'm sorry. No, I will read the theory. Hold on. Are you clear about this data point? Think like we have plotted the data. We already know. Now move on to the next one. Suddenly new data point came, sir. Suddenly what came? New data point came. And
calculating all distance from this data point to other data point takes a lot of time. Instead of that one, use k value. Use what value? Can just have to create a circle in between. Then how many data points are almost belong to this one actually? Red and red almost near. Then this data point almost falls what exactly, sir? Under. That's it. Simple. It's a kind of some distance calculation. What calculation? That's what it takes care actually. Okay. Theory you can ignore. A scenario. Same data set, public data set actually. I'm sure. Maybe today. Till now you are comfortable with the public data sets. First point, learn any algorithm with public data set. Learn any algorithm with what exactly? Then you can feel comfortable. Yeah, you know the algorithm actually. After you are comfortable with the public data set, now it's a right time you have to move on domain based example. What example? A kind of some KNN, e-commerce domain, KNN, yes, every domain, healthcare domain, KNN, banking domain, how these are all things it will works actually. Maybe today onwards or today or tomorrow, let me check my free time. I will start sharing Kaggle examples. I would like to start sharing Kaggle example. If you are really done practice of all our examples actually, get ready. You can solve those examples. You know, I will share the code. I will share the data set. You have to start work actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదా sir, right? Then, so let me just try to continue with this example. Maybe I can walk through very quickly. Why? Because you already know this data set, right? What is the data set, sir? Iris flowers data set actually. Loading the data set. We know. If you really didn't practice actually, you know these are all steps very clearly. I no need to repeat again and again. I may not capture all steps in our running notes, sir. Why? Because this is well known actually. Yeah, good. So you kindly please follow the material instead of running notes. These examples, you know, I guess. Displaying the features. How to display them? Can I ask a question? What is this? Any idea? Attribute. Yeah. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Target names actually. How many targets? 3. First one, Setosa, versicolor, virginica. Let's get the data. Sir, total how many rows? 150. How many columns? 4 columns. I'm repeating again, 4 columns. Sepal length, sepal width. Petal length, petal width. How many rows? 150. 50, 50, 50. You know, I'm sure this is not the first time I'm covering. Daniel, why it is giving directly array? ML algorithm likes array data. That's what they're returning in this. They're returning same actually. Length of the data. Can we check length of the data? How to check actually? We can call length function. I can still skip, though you already know, but let me run. Let me run. You will get an idea. 150. Now we are creating a data frame. We are creating what exactly, sir? Data frame. Ayo, చెప్పండి sir. What is the mistake? By this time, you should know how to fix the error. If you don't know how to fix the error, you are not good in subject. Independently, you should fix. Independent. If you want, you can use ChatGPT also. That is okay. Online team, how is practice going on, sir? Maybe how long time you are spending per day? Maybe can I expect 1 hour? Everyone respond, please. No response from anyone. Maybe I believe you guys are doing practice. Okay, let's move on then. Okay, so let me just try to add a column. Column name is called as a target. Sorry, sir. You can just try to execute. Very nice, man. Very nice. Let's move on. Left hand side, if you're able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column or replacing existing value with new value or new operation. Displaying target. Displaying what exactly? Target. So any idea what exactly we are doing? We are filtering the data. You can check the length also. What is the length, sir? 50. Same thing like that. We can check length for 1, 2, 3. These are all things also. Do you know this? Uh, in in a BTech data science and AI, this is one of the mini project actually. Irish dataset is one of the mini project. Students supposed to understand this. They need to explain what is going on, and they need to apply all pandas operation over this one. These are all. They should apply all pandas operation. It's kind of some mini project actually, right? If you're not aware, I'm telling. That's what important. Don't take light. Don't take like this is easy. You should know. Of course, it is easy. You should aware actual. One student, Daniel, how you know? Sir, I know. Kind of some J&T University, Anurag University, Osmania. I'm searching for the good contact. There is here one more college, Gokraju Rangraju College actually, autonomous college. I know. I do have a good contacts. They used to share the projects. Students, they used to connect actually. And I used to help. Recently, I got a one opportunity. Okay, let's move on. So where are we? Let us just have to filter the data. Yeah, 0, 1, 2. Can you tell me what is the result? Chappan sir. Yeah, 0. Length we are finding. Okay. Yeah, good. Empty data frame. Then the length is the 0. You can do these are all. We are adding flower name, not important, sir. Sepal with petal length. What exactly petal width? The next one will be flower name. It's okay. All setos of flowers. We are, any idea what is this? Slicing. Chappan, sir. Starting you are not providing in the, starting you are not providing in the sense means backend started with the 0. End value till 49. Till 49. We are assigning it one variable. We are filtering. But this kind of filtering in real time we are not doing. In real time, we can filter the data based on condition. Based on like a previously target value equals to 0, right? Like that we can filter. But slicing we are not using. Now here onwards, please little focus. Let's create a step. Why? Because algorithm name it will come, right? Little focus. Go back. Daniel, can you please do the step number 3 so called as a Chappan? I need your help actually. Step number 3, data preparation. Good. Daniel, what you're doing? From the data frame, we are dropping target and we are dropping flower name. Then this is so called as access equals to columns. That's it. We have done data preparation. Importing the library, loading the data set, data preparation. Can I tell you one small logic today? Frankly speaking, because of these steps only, algorithm becomes very easy. Will you accept or not, sir? So very, very important. Steps, follow the steps. Follow the steps, you will understand very clearly. Splitting the data set, let us do actually. Step number 4. Yo. What is the ratio? No random underscore state. Then what happened? Every time shuffling. Come again. Every time shuffling. How to fix this error? Import the class. What is the error name? If predefined functions are predefined classes, without importing if you are using, you will get a name error. You will get a symbol. Thumb rule actual. If you wanted to use import, if you wanted to use, what you need to do, sir? Import actual. Importing the libraries. Sir, don't mix up. K-means clustering is different. K-NN is different. Here no centroid actual. No centroid. Are you clear, sir? Right. Now this one is a model name. Please focus. This is the new point for you. K neighbors classifier. Talk with me, sir. K neighbors, k neighbors. K means number of neighbors. We have to import the model. Yeah. Then you need to create an object, this one actually, which is so called as a model creation. Model creation. Sir, n underscore neighbor is equals to what exactly? 5. Means nearby 5 values it will calculate. You can go back to the previous diagram. It can draw a circle within nearby 5 data points where exactly it will identify. చెప్తారా step number 5 model creation actually. Step number 6 is so called as a model training. Can I pass here X test actually? Do we get warning actually? Yeah. Why? Because these are all not what exactly? Yeah. Now get ready. Not now. While doing prediction, you may get a warning. Why warning? Because X and Y is not a array actually. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Sir, you can check the score. Model dot score, you can check actually special step. These steps I can capture in running notes. Steps from 1 to 6, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's a right time for prediction. Good man. You can just have to pass 4.8, 3.0. Any idea what is the 4.8? Sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. What this algorithm will do, this algorithm takes the data point. You are giving the new data point. For this new data point, surrounded how many nearby 5 classifiers, 5 data points, how many it is having, it will recognize. Then it will just try to identify which category this one. Why? Because it is already know actually. First category, second category, third category. Then it will take almost, it will create a circle within the 5. Not much important, sir. But as per the syllabus, we need to cover actually. Why warning? Model prediction. You are providing X test data set. What data set? It is doing prediction, right prediction actually. You can do that. Model evaluation. This topic name is called as a, imagine, go back to the regression. If you wanted to model evaluation, you need to apply MSc or MSc, MAE. But if you wanted to, when it comes to classification, model evaluation techniques are different. Model evaluation techniques are what exactly? Different. This point you will understand after there is a one topic. The topic name is called as a confusion matrix. ఎక్కడుందో చూడండి సార్. After this you will understand. After this, okay. The last example you will understand after confusion matrix. As of now it's okay. You can skip this example. That is still okay. You will get this kind of report. You will get one report actually. You will get an idea. This F1 score value is the important. 93% guarantee it is giving. And accuracy level is also 93. That's cool. Fine then. This one is a 0th category, first category, second category. Okay, I can talk this report later. I will show you how to analyze these reports later. Very simple. So we already done this example as well. Now, ayo. Somebody texted yesterday. Did I miss anything? Sir, first let me upload. First session is not yet done. Hold on. Maybe Supriya ma'am. You texted, I guess, actually. Kada? Supriya ma'am garu. Yeah. I'm sorry, boss. I'm sorry. 103. You guys are good. Previously, there is a one student. He used to scold in Google Classroom actually. Why you forget actually like that? Here only, right? K-means clustering only, right? Let me just try to edit and I can upload. Then I have one question. 103 is previous one. Then no one didn't ask till yesterday. Yesterday one I have uploaded. Then are you guys doing practice? It's okay. We have our own personal tensions, Daniel, actually. Waste, sir. All your personal tensions are waste, actually. Subject matters. Okay, let's just try to. I have uploaded that. We have enough time. Let me start tomorrow. I will continue in next session. Get ready. I may share some few Kegel examples. Try to walk through that one. Maybe we are going to cover one project. In that project, you will get an idea. I will take only all important algorithms, and there is a one problem statement. We are applying all algorithms like a k-fold cross validation. You will get an idea. Good point. Sir, I'm uploading running notes. Look at everyone. Fine then. Thank you. Supreme ma'am, I have uploaded running notes actually. Yeah. Hey, just kidding.